I was looking for a course where it combines theory with practice, basically. And I've been doing some online things, but the thing is, the online things is you need good discipline to do that. So I wanted the classroom experience with the practice and theory around data science. I feel like data science is more a team approach than an individual approach. So you can basically have different backgrounds. You have the hardcore coding part of data science, you have the math part, but you also have the business part. The combination that was provided here was addressing all of these. Going to a course one day can be challenging, but when you get it through 5 days, you can divide up the agenda for the course in a way that you create stories around the topics and it makes you remember better. This bootcamp is good for aspiring people. So the people who either work in the industry, who has some experience with it, or people who is interested in going into data science, who wants to become more data driven.